Today we'll solve cognitive assessment number 10 to lesson 3 unit 3. Question number 1, the verbal expression for 2m minus 7 is space. We can write twice m, it's meaning 2 multiplication m. Twice m decreased by 7. Or we can write here 7 is less than twice the number m. Question letter B, the number of integers between 4 and its opposite integers will be what? The number of integers, it will be 7, because we have 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Again, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. We have 7. So the number of integers between 4 and its opposite integers, it will be 7. Question letter C, the algebraic expression for a number is 7, t meaning x minus 7 or m minus 7. M is refers to the number. Question D, absolute value of negative 4 plus the absolute value of negative 7, it will be 4 plus 7 equal 11. Question letter E, Raimi works X hours daily. Then the algebraic expression for the number of worked hours monthly is X multiplication 30, because you want to find the algebraic expression for the number of worked hours in the monthly. Raimi works X hours daily. Then in the monthly it will be 30x. Next question. Question number 2, choose the correct answer. Twice the difference of a number and 5. Twice the difference of a number and 5. We can write 2 outside here and open parentheses and write inside y and 5. So we can write about letter A. Twice the difference, write 2 outside and open parentheses and write in this parentheses y minus 5. Y refers to the number. Okay, choose letter D, write 2 outside and y minus 5. Question letter B, Layla saved in Egyptian lira and her mother gave her 5 Egyptian lira. She will have 5 plus n. Choose letter B. Write n plus 5 or 5 plus n. Question C. Letter C. Which of the following are like terms? Like terms here, it will be 31x and 13x. Choose letter C. Like terms, 31x and 13x. Question letter D. The distance between the opposite of 3 and 0 on the number line is space units. You want to find the distance between the opposite of 3 and 0. We can find the absolute value. It will be 3. 3 minus 0 equal 3. Then the absolute value here, it will be equal 3. This is the distance between 3 and 0. Choose letter A. Question letter E. The rational number between 0.3 and 0.4, we can write 0 by right hand side here to equal parts between them, 0.3 and 0.4. Then we must choose 32 100th. Choose letter C about this example, 32 100th. Okay. Letter E, choose letter C. 32 hundredths. Question F. Islam is X years old now. How old will be after 6 years? After 6 meaning plus or 8. It will be letter C. 6 plus X. Okay. 6 plus X. Question number 3. From the opposite Venn diagram, complete the value of m and the value of n. We can find the value of m by multiplication 3 by 3 by 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 times 2 equal 18. Then the value of unknown here, variable m, the number m here will be what? 3 times 2. Okay. And the second number here, right, 3 times 2 equal 18. And n equal what? We know 70 equal 2 times 5 times n. We can find n. 2 times 5 equal 10. 10 times 7 equals 70. Then n here will be equal 7, because 2 times 5 equal 10 and 10 times 7 equals 70. We can find the greatest common factor and least common multiplication. Greatest common factor between them equal 2. And least common multiplication with the two numbers 18 and 70, we can find them by multiplication. 3 times 3 times 2 times 5 times 7. 3 times 3 equal 9. 9 times 2, 18. 18 times 5 equal 90. 90 times 7, right, 0. And the result will be 630. 3 times 3 equal 9, and 2 times 5 times 7 equals 70. 70 times 9 equals 630. It's the least common multiplication between two numbers. Last question, question number 4. Ahmed ate egg sandwiches and his father ate 6 sandwiches. If the price of each sandwich is 5 lira, write the algebraic expression to find the cost of all sandwiches. Again, Ahmed ate 8 sandwiches and his father ate 6 sandwiches. If the price of each sandwich is 5 lira, so 5 here, it's constant, right? 5 outside here, and open parentheses, and inside this parentheses write x and 6. Then the algebraic expression, we can write 5 constant outside and x plus 6. Or you can, using distributive properties, write 5x plus 30. Understood? We use here distributive properties. 5 times x equal 5x, and we have here 5 times 6 equals 30. Then the expression, you can write 5 times this parenthesis or 5x plus 30.